Now let's move on to HuggingFace. Here we need to enter the HuggingFace API key. Let's open this URL to get API key. Now log in into your account. If you do not have an account, create one and then navigate to this URL. Next, to create a API key, click on this new token button and name project anything. Let's say Spec Coder and select type read and then click on this button generate a token. Now we have this access token. Copy this and back to editor and paste the access token right here. Next we need to select the AI models. Right now for HuggingFace chat model, it only supports Mistral 7B instruct model. In future I will add more models, and for code generation model it is recommended to use Code Llama, but you can try different models also. It's done. Now let's test this. So first in the AI assistance provider, here for chat assistants let's select HuggingFace, and also for code AI assistant let's select HuggingFace. Now let's try this chat, clear these messages, let's say hello, and immediately we get the response. Let's ask what is your model name, and it has responded with my model name is Mistral 7B. Next let's try the code completion. So in the index.js let's say write a function to filter even numbers, and it has suggested this code completion. Press tab to accept this. It is suggesting the code completion in chunks, and here we have complete function to filter even numbers. Great.